Add oil, mustard seeds, ginger, green chilies, few curry leaves and onions. Saute this for a while. Add tomatoes, turmeric and cumin powder. Saute this again for 2 to 3 minutes. Add fresh coconut and garam masala and mix well. Add cooked clams, cabbage and mix well. Cover this and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. To finish this, add fresh coriander. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Elroy and don't forget to visit our store at elroy.co.uk. All the information is in the description below. See you in the next video.